Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I decided to redraw an older drawing I did in 2019, so I hope you enjoy this video. I'm using the iPad Pro 12.9 inch with the Apple Pencil, and I'm going to be using Procreate, the app, to draw the process. So I'm just bringing in this old drawing of mine, this cute yoga girl with the little Maltese dog. This has been one of my favourite drawings, and I did this in August 2019. I'm just starting out with a rough sketch layer, and I'm just getting down the proportions of everything right now. So I'm just using the Tara's oval sketch brush for this, which I downloaded separately to Procreate, but I've always loved that for sketching. And then I'm just coming into Pinterest, which is where I find references. I just thought I'd grab a reference of a girl in the pose just to make sure I get the legs looking right, because sometimes you just need a reference to go by. So with the sketch layer opacity down, I'm making a new layer on top, and I'm just drawing over this again and just neatening up and bringing everything together a little bit more. Now I'm going back into Pinterest to grab a hair picture. I decided to do the hair a little bit differently. And this is actually my own folder of hair that I have saved over time on Pinterest. So I'll leave my Pinterest link below if you want to check it out. It'll be at BeachLifeStudio. I have a lot of different folders on there if you want some inspiration. I realised I made the body a little bit big for my liking, and I just shrunk it down a little bit because then it just makes the character look younger, and I feel like they look a lot cuter like that. So I just used the selection tool for that. And then I'm just grabbing another picture from Pinterest again of a Maltese dog just to make sure that I'm drawing them right. Just because obviously my last one kind of looked more like a bear, so just going to make sure I'm getting it right. I'm not even sure I used a reference for the last dog, actually. So here I'm just colouring in the base colours, and I'm just colour picking and choosing a little colour palette for the girl, which I actually changed in the end. I went for brown hair with highlights, and then I realised it didn't really work very well. I also changed the colour of the outfit as well, for this really neutral colours, which I really liked in the end. So you'll just see a little bit of change here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to have the rest of the video sped up of my process, and then it'll just jump straight into Procreate, the screen record. So I hope you enjoy watching the rest. Basically I just do all the flat colours on separate layers, and then I will add shadows and highlights and then final details and everything. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of the process in the comments and what you think of my new version. And I hope you'll have a lovely day. I'll see you all next time. Bye.